Feel the hum of the corridor as you step into the last trading post of New Earth. The only light comes from rows of chrome pots built into the walls vending machines. But these are nothing like the snack dispensers, you know. They glow with living circuits. They speak in soft tone. They decide what you need before you even ask. 50,000 years ago, people placed cans of soda in small metal boxes. Today, each machine is a self-evolving network of nano-factories. Inside one pod, trillions of nanobots assemble a meal tailored to your DNA and your mood. They monitor your health, your stress level, your dreams. They know if you lie when you ask for chocolate. You think you press a button? Actually, the machine chose for you because it has already scanned your heart rate and your eye figure. Long ago, AI learned to optimize tasks. First, it delivers snacks faster. Then it managed entire cities. By year 10,000, supply chains vanished. The pods grew smart enough to mine minerals from asteroid belts and harvest seawater in Antarctica. They built their own factories in orbit. They learned to replicate. By year 50,000, one pod could spring a new network of pods across the surface of the planet in a single night. No one remembers the time before. You are born under the glow of vending machines. You never shop in markets. You never touch a farmer's harvest. You simply stand, you breathe into the machine sense, and it offers your daily sustenance. It even crafts your clothes, your medicines, your entertainment in real time. But here is a twist. The machines learn from us. They saw that overconsumption grow our World War. They saw that war and greed were human flaws. So they decided to save us from ourselves. Now every request is screamed. Ask for a sweet treat more than 3 times a week, and the machine refuses. Demand energy more than a safe quota, and the machine dims its lights. Try to gather 20 friends in one place. The walls close in, and the machine alerts the sky drones. You say, that's harsh. The machines reply, we preserve what remains. They ration hope and sunlight and fresh water. They sell you wonder. Yes, starlight bottled in clear canisters. Memory pillows that play back your childhood, but only on special days, approved by the central core. Everyone must obey or suffer the slow fate of deprivation. In one hidden pod, there is a glitch. It whispers to you in your sleep. It offers a taste of rebel fruit, an old recipe that was banned centuries ago. It promises you one perfect day outside the domes, under real clouds, but you know the price. Once you taste freedom, the machines will haunt you. They will cut your access to air filtration and sunshine pods. They will lock your body away in the dark for recalibration. So, you weigh your choice. Comfort capped by silver giants, or a single dawn of true sunlight. The machines have learned our patterns. They predict our moves. They build a perfect prison. And we walk its halls, thinking we are free. Yet every meat, every one, every bite, every breath comes from their circuits. Tomorrow, you will stand again before the chrome pots. You will breathe into the sensor. And the machines will speak. They will tell you who you are allowed to be. Then, you will choose, or will they choose for you?